A good host does everything to make their guests feel at home. And that is exactly what we do at Swiss. Today, we'll show you how we're making flying with us even more enjoyable with Swiss Senses. After takeoff, it's time for an aperitif, some of Switzerland's finest cheese. How's that? Of course, with our selection of Swiss wines, there's always a perfect match. Red or white? Not an easy choice. And whichever meal you choose, all dishes are carefully selected, prepared with high-quality ingredients, and served on modern, reusable tableware. For an extra touch of freshness on board, we've developed our signature scent, Alpine Valley, in collaboration with Söder. A true delight. A great journey should engage all your senses. That's why we offer you upgraded headphones, a second meal service in the form of a bento box, and the all-time favorite, our Swiss chocolate. Simply irresistible. Getting late? The perfect time to introduce you to another important feature, our bedding in premium Swiss design. And speaking of premium, our pillows are made from 100% cotton and our blankets fully recycled. Oh, and if you're in the mood for a late night treat, you'll find everything you need at the onboard kiosk. As you can see, we have taken care of every detail, so you can sit back and relax from takeoff to landing with our economy and premium economy service on long-haul flights.